Ka National People's Youth Front NPYF Sheila Block ha ka khandro terek unai tung kalayo ban penkup burom ya live nyongut kisamla ki belawan syakmat na ka exam kelas 10 ber kelas 12 2006 arajar arwar na pedeng kini ki live nyongut ki kena ki bela syak penkup burom arngut kidai belawan ha kadan ba syakmat kata unaza riolan sendram ubawan ha kadan ka basau ha kelas 12 science na ka school Ramkrishna Mission Higher Secondary School Sora bad uyai ne skam lendem belawan ha kadan bakhatwai ha ka SSLC na ka school Ramkrishna Mission Mamlu. State President ke NPYF Meghalaya ubakit borlang nongram habakran ulo ong balemba kanika program kisamla puli kinang yo bensim shushu ha kajing puli jongki henry tanggawe kajing bakum kajek benreu ke kendu kalong kajing duna ki IAS bat IPS ha kanika jelam. Udan pat kajing kerman bakin mi ki he IAS bat IPS na kanika than kanang bakin yo sensar ben pinya hi ya jelam. Kiwei ki bedon lang ha kanika sngi kentup yo sora shnong ka set sopen uba di kenta u president ke NPYF East Khasil District uba krawbok soklen ki kimi ki pa lembat ki dokhot jongka NPYF.
Kadai kashnong kabalakha ya u kraw khat ujongi ubalakha ya di poetry ki bapawang kadui teraksir melong sostham hashwa kasnem khat praspa saupho melong sostham lalek no anang perthen rengis ngau terdapat bah atas nem kebut nem khat praspa saupho weta lembat imam an koi hakani ka cakah hanino saulia kalau burong yo blay bakino hikai biji ai mampashu parbang sen laisen nomor kala templat no ya ei bamati lai siam ya kini hikai bakino hikai ba kongsang na ta jongang ta jopi kerpang ta jopi lai pun nyufut ki balayo ya kane ka awar kaji penkuk burong kabarin mereka mau pergi kalau pak dan cuma hadu kata kikon samlah akan dijok niyaman dijide di balai hujan niyakren sepang kedua tam kedua jam niyungi ya ketika keren di samlah serum sedang sepang kata employment crisis kaba lawang kejiban kia om tangi dikor gijugi hre nado gitwe pa
in that soul some brightly burning some dark and cold there is a spirit who brings the fire ignites our candle and make His home. So carry your candle, run to the darkness, seek out the hopeless, confused and torn. Hold out that candle for all to see. Take your candle and go light your world. Take your candle and go light your world. Prostrated brother, see how he's trying to light his own candle some other way. See now your sister, she's been robbed like to still hold that candle without a flame. So carry your candle, run to the darkness, seek out the lonely, the tired and worn. Hold out your candle for all to see. Take your candle and go light your world. Take your candle and go light your world.